In this video, we listed the 5 best heated scarves that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ORORO Heated Scarf. This heated fleece scarf offers all-day warmth and comfort with advanced heating technology and premium materials. Powered by a 7.4V rechargeable battery, it provides up to 12 hours of continuous heat on a single charge, with 3 adjustable temperature settings: high, medium, low, easily controlled at the press of a button. The scarf features a large heating area, 7.9 inches by 4.7 inches, that evenly warms the entire back of your neck, delivering soothing and consistent comfort in cold weather. Designed for instant heat, it preheats rapidly, much faster than lower voltage options, making it perfect for quickly warming up when you step outdoors. Crafted with 3M Thinsulate insulation, it effectively traps heat while maintaining breathability, and the ultra-soft fleece lining ensures luxurious comfort against your skin. With its stylish, unisex design, this scarf is both practical and fashionable, making it an ideal gift for friends and family who want to stay cozy and warm in any setting. Number 2. Qdreclod Heated Scarf. This heated scarf combines comfort, style, and advanced technology to keep you warm throughout the winter. Made from 100% cotton with soft fleece and polyester accents, it offers a cozy and skin-friendly feel while maintaining breathability. Powered by a 5V 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, it heats up faster and more efficiently than standard 3.7V models, providing reliable warmth in cold weather. The scarf features 3 adjustable temperature settings: high, 140 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, medium, 122 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, and low, 113 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, allowing you to easily customize your comfort level with a simple press of a button. Measuring 77.5 by 13.7 inches, this versatile scarf can be wrapped around your neck, draped over your shoulders, or even used as a small blanket for your hands or legs. Its high-tech heating element delivers fast, even warmth to the neck area, offering excellent insulation against the winter chill. Ideal for use at home, in the office, or outdoors, this stylish heated scarf also makes a perfect gift for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, weddings, and Valentine's Day, bringing warmth and comfort to your loved ones all season long. Number 3. MuroMucci Heated Scarf. This intelligent heated scarf combines elegant design with advanced warmth technology to keep you cozy and stylish in any season. Made from 100% polyester, it features a soft cashmere-like fabric that's lightweight, skin-friendly, and resistant to fading or pilling, perfect for spring, fall, and winter wear. Designed for both men and women, this versatile scarf comes in classic colors and can even be worn as a matching couple scarf for added warmth and charm. Equipped with an intelligent heating system, it quickly warms up within 3 to 5 seconds at the press of a button, offering 3 adjustable temperature levels: high, 131 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 to 65 degrees Celsius, medium, 113 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 to 55 degrees Celsius, and low, 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, to ensure the perfect comfort level. The built-in cordless heating pad helps promote blood circulation and relieve neck and shoulder tension, providing safe and steady warmth powered by a rechargeable battery. Fashionable yet practical, it can also be used as a shawl, wrap, or small blanket, making it ideal for home, office, car, or outdoor activities. Easy to maintain and machine washable. After removing the power bank, this heated scarf is a thoughtful gift for Christmas, Valentine's Day, weddings, or birthdays, bringing warmth, comfort, and style to every occasion. Number 4. Thermrup Heated Scarf. The Thermrup heated scarf delivers soothing warmth and comfort using patented far-infrared technology, ensuring deep and even heat distribution throughout the neck area. Powered by a rechargeable battery with 3 adjustable temperature settings, it provides up to 6 hours of continuous warmth, making it ideal for cold weather activities or everyday use. Crafted from soft, skin-friendly materials, this scarf feels gentle against the skin and is both machine and hand washable for easy care. Measuring 100 cm in length and 13 cm in width, it offers a perfect balance of coverage and comfort. Combining advanced heating performance with cozy design, the Thermrup heated scarf is a stylish and practical solution for staying warm during winter walks, commutes, or outdoor adventures. Number 5. Diweez Heated Scarf Neck Heating Pad. The Diweez heated scarf is designed for superior comfort, warmth, and convenience during cold weather. Made from ultra-soft crystal velvet fabric and filled with fluffy cotton, it offers a luxurious, skin-friendly feel that ensures ultimate comfort. Featuring 3 smart temperature settings: high, 131 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and low, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, this scarf lets you easily adjust the heat to your preference with a single button. Its portable design includes a built-in pocket for the included 5000 mAh power bank, allowing you to stay warm anywhere without messy wires. The enhanced heating coverage targets the entire back of the neck with fast-heating carbon fiber elements that not only keep you cozy but also help relieve muscle tension and pain. Ideal for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or skiing, this scarf makes a perfect gift for both men and women. For longevity, it's recommended to use a laundry bag when machine washing. Stay warm, comfortable, and stylish with the Diweez heated scarf, your perfect winter companion.